Hey everyone, I'm Hiro. Welcome back to the CISA exam prep series. In this video, we are covering Section 8, IT Resource Management. Think about this. A company buys software, but nobody ends up using it. Servers run at 10% capacity. Licenses keep renewing automatically. The budget is gone, and nobody knows where it went. That happened when there is no plan, no tracking, and no accountability for IT resources. IT resource management fixes that. It means having the right resources allocated to the right places, monitoring how they are being used, and evaluating whether they are actually delivering value. In short, IT resource management means allocating, operating, and evaluating your IT resources wisely. Let's break down exactly how that works. What is IT resource management? So, what is IT resource management? The definition is this. It is the process of organizing and allocating limited personnel, technology, budget, and data in the most effective way to achieve business objectives. Every organization has finite resources. The question is whether you are deploying them strategically or letting them go to waste. The first aspect is optimal allocation. You have limited resources, and you distribute them based on the organization's strategy and priorities. High-value projects get more. Low-priority work gets less. The allocation reflects what the business actually needs. The second aspect is appropriate operation. Once resources are allocated, you maintain and optimize them continuously so they keep generating value. An unallocated resource that nobody monitors will degrade over time and eventually become a liability. One more key point. IT resource management is not a standalone activity. It is how organizations realize resource management. That is one of the 5 objectives of IT governance. It is built into the governance structure. 4 types of IT resources. There are 4 types of IT resources that need to be managed. First, human resources. Skill matching. Right person, right project. Cross-training. No single person becomes a critical dependency. Mandatory vacation and job rotation help detect concealed fraud. When the responsible person is away, a substitute may spot irregularities. Access must be revoked the moment someone leaves. Second, technical resources. Hardware, software, networks, and cloud. Asset inventory tracks what exists and where. License management catches unused software contracts. Regular vulnerability assessments find weaknesses before they are exploited. Lifecycle management covers procurement through operation to disposal. Third, financial resources. Budget management means allocating by department and monitoring actual spend. ROI analysis backs every investment decision. Strategic projects get priority. Allocation should reflect business goals. Fourth, data resources. Classification and access control protects sensitive data. Backup and disposal management ensure recovery when needed and secure deletion when not. Lifecycle management governs data from collection to deletion. 5-step management process. IT resource management is not a one-time setup. It follows a continuous 5-step process. Step 1. Understand the current state. Before you can manage anything, you need to know what you have. Create a resource inventory covering personnel, technology, budget, and data. Document where each resource is, what condition it is in, and how it is currently being used. Step 2. Plan and allocate. Based on the organization's strategy and the priorities of current projects, distribute resources to where they will generate the most value. This is where the organization's strategic direction gets translated into concrete resource decisions. Step 3. Operate and manage. Once resources are allocated, maintain them, monitor their condition, apply updates, provide training. The goal is to keep every resource in a state where it can continuously deliver value. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Regularly measure how efficiently and effectively resources are being used. If utilization is low or priorities have shifted, reallocate. Resource management is dynamic, not static. Step 5. Evaluate and improve. At regular intervals, analyze the overall results of resource management. Are the processes working? Is the allocation model still appropriate? Identify weaknesses and continuously improve the system. Portfolio management and IT value. Now let's cover two tools: IT portfolio management and IT value assessment. IT portfolio management. This is the method for selecting the optimal set of IT projects to achieve business objectives. Investment optimization. Concentrate funds on high ROI projects. Risk diversification. Spread investment across multiple projects. Alignment. IT investment must connect to business goals. Projects are evaluated on 3 criteria: financial, strategic, and tactical value. IT value assessment. This is how you measure whether an investment was worthwhile. Value equals benefits versus costs. Financial benefits. Cost reduction and revenue increase, directly measurable in money. Non-financial benefits. Customer satisfaction, information quality, reduced cycle time, harder to quantify but equally real. ROI analysis. Measure both types of benefit. Compare against investment amount. Evaluate whether the project paid off. Where feasible, convert non-financial benefits into monetary estimates for comparison. Portfolio management tells you which projects to fund. Value assessment tells you whether those decisions paid off. Let's wrap up. IT resource management is the process of organizing and allocating personnel, technology, budget, and data in the most effective way to achieve business objectives. It has 2 aspects: optimal allocation, distributing limited resources based on strategy and priority, and appropriate operation, maintaining and improving resources continuously to keep them generating value. The management process runs through 5 steps: understand the current state, plan and allocate, operate and manage, monitor and adjust, then evaluate and improve. There are 4 resource types, each requiring distinct management practices: human resources, technical resources, financial resources, and data resources. IT portfolio management is how organizations decide which IT projects to invest in, using financial, strategic, and technical criteria to make those decisions. IT value is measured by comparing benefits against cost. Both financial benefits and non-financial benefits must be considered, and ROI analysis should quantify both. Alright, that's it for section 8. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.